Hi, just a short video to show I'm still alive. I'm doing laundry right now, but don't click off yet. I bought this LG washer, and these high capacity LGs are really nice because they got the direct drive motor and they're more efficient just moving the clothes around. And I paid a little more than I wanted to, but in the end, I think it was the best $150 I ever spent. So right now I'm washing clothes, and I'm washing them on solar, and I'm washing them without a battery. I have an inverter running directly on the panel voltage, and it's quiet. This is what I've used in the past. Kind of noisy, you have to wait a little while for the neighbors to get awake. You can't do it early in the morning or on Sunday. So let me go show you some more. These are my new panels. I say new because I'm just putting them up now. I've had them almost 3 years, but I'll be able to put them up on the garage. And just this winter, my neighbor cut down a tree that I've been hoping will, fall over or something, but not on my garage. You could stick a yardstick in, and in either direction, there was a hole down at the bottom. In either direction, there would be around 21, 22 inches you could stick the yardstick in. So it was pretty rotted. But these are 280 watt Trinas. So this is 60 volts. And my normal array for the house is also 60 volts. So these are put in series. So let me show you a little more. And here we are. This is my little inverter. And here in the center there was a bunch of power electronics for the boost converter. I'm only using the H bridge. So I had to add a little bit of electronics to provide 12 volts to the control electronics. But yeah, this was something someone threw out, and hey, it's working. Now I'm going to have, like I say, this 60 volt array in back, which is in series with the other 60 volt, and that gives me the 120 volts I need to run the washing machine. I bought this little three-phase switch. This is a JS or a QS60. They're on eBay. This was only like $13 shipped. And on the side right here, there's this little shorting bar. It's pretty easy to remove. And if you remove that, then you have two double pole switches. Double pole, double throw. One double pole, double throw. And one additional switch, which is just on, off, or in either direction. So I can run 120 volts to my inverter here when it's time for laundry. And when not, I can switch this over, and the 60 volt panels go in parallel with my other, and I get nice morning sun. Usually I don't get any real power till about 10 o'clock. And then shortly after that, shade starts covering up the panels. I have a lot of panels, a lot of wattage, and I'm just happy to get about 500 or 600 watts at the most from 2 kilowatts of power. But this is it. It's running. It's doing the laundry. It's quiet. No gas. So I'll clean this up a little bit, do another video, but yeah, I'm alive.